Is this spooky? Hi, boys and girls. So, you should have just listened to the story Moon Bear's Shadow. And he kept trying to get rid of his shadow. Wasn't that silly of him? Okay, so we are going to be learning about shadows and light in science for now. So, the question for today is, how do you make a shadow? Ooh, how do you make a shadow? Let's figure it out, scientists. All right, so you need something very important to make a shadow. Any ideas? Here's a hint. Ooh, you need a light source, right? I have a flashlight as my light source. Now there is one very big light source way up in the sky. What is it? Absolutely, the sun, right? We just learned all about the sun and the patterns that it makes in the sky. And now we're going to be using it as a light source. But I don't have the sun with me and I'm looking outside and it's super cloudy. So I have my own light source, a flashlight. What else can be a light source? Look around your room right now. What else could be a light source? Maybe you have a lamp? You have a light on your ceiling? You might. That's a light source. So you definitely need a light source to make a shadow. What else do you need to make a shadow? You need an object. My object that I have is a bottle of hand sanitizer. Perfect for 2021, right? And I also have a mug. Go Rochester Academy, woo woo. All right, so the third thing you need is a flat surface, and that's gonna be my wall, okay? So you need a light source, you need an object, and you need a flat surface. Okay, so let's do this. All right, let's make some shadows. Are you ready? I'm gonna shine this light source onto the object. What happens? What do you see? Do you see the shadow on the flat surface? Absolutely. So we have our light source, we have the object, and we have the flat surface. What if I put it over here? What if I shine my light source on the mug? I see the shadow on the flat surface. So why does that make a shadow? How do you make a shadow? Yeah, you can shine it on, but why does that? Why is this right here? It's because the object blocks the light and makes a shadow. So if I shine it just right here, there's nothing blocking the light. But if I put this up in the way, it blocks the light. So the light can't go through the hand sanitizer, so it makes a shadow. So get your mirrors ready. We're gonna mirror words this, ready? Mirror words. Shadows are made. Say it, say shadows are made when the light is blocked. Shadows are made when the light is blocked. Copy me, ready? Shadows are made when the light is blocked. Good job, mirrors away. All right, so we have our light source, we have the objects, and we have the shadow. The next part of this is, where do we know the shadow's gonna go? Because Moon Bear's shadow kept moving. Why do shadows keep moving? Why do you think? Shadows keep moving because the light moves. All right, and the shadows are always on the other side of the light. So if the light is right here on this side, the shadow is going to be on the other side of the object. So if I have my light source over here, and I put the mug right there, the shadow is on the other side because the light is blocked going through this side. So what if, I have the hand sanitizer in the mug, what if I move the light source this way? Right? The light source is over here. That means the shadow is going to be over here. See, the light source is right here. The shadow is on the other side. So neat, because the hand sanitizer is blocking the light. So there's the shadow, the black part, the blocked part, right over here. So the best thing right now is, well, you have an exit ticket to do, right? And it has the picture of the sun, which is the light source, the giraffe, which is the object, and you have to draw where the shadow is going to be. So remember, the shadow is always on the opposite side of the light source. So if the light source is on one side, the shadow goes to the other side, all right? Remember that. And then there's also a writing part where you have to tell, how is a shadow made? Ooh, how is a shadow made? And remember, shadow is made by blocking the light. The shadow is made by blocking the light. Okay, now at the very end, there's a video about making hand puppets. You see that? So I have my light source and I have a flat surface. Now I'm going to put the object, which is my hand. Look at, I can make the shadow change and move. I want you to just play around and see what kind of hand shadows you can make. All right, so do your exit ticket. Ooh, exit tickets are cool. And then you can play around with finger shadow puppets. All right, I hope you have a fantastic sciencey day. See what kind of shadows you can see. If it's a sunny day outside and your grown-up says you can go outside, do that, because the sun is an amazing light source. All right, I will see you later and see if you can be spooky with shadows. All right, have a fantastic day. Bye.